What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. We're just about to head inside and get started on our saltwater pond build. All the pigs are expecting another meal. They already ate breakfast. Don't let them fool you. Right, Lady May? How you gonna act like you didn't eat yet? Huh? You gonna act like you didn't eat yet? Same with you, goats. You got a brand new bale of hay in the house. Today is the day that we finally get started on the saltwater pond. How long have we been talking about it? Months. When are we gonna actually do it? Right now. Now, I've been filming this video for like 4 days straight. Me and Brenton started off this project and we've gotten pretty far. Enjoy. I come into the fish building and Brenton has already... All right.
We're laying fiberglass mat. Already did a layer. Look at this. Rock hard. Hard as a rock. Rock hard. Did I say that yet? Now we're sanding it because we're gonna do another coat. And then after all that, we cover the whole thing in epoxy to seal it. That is fish safe, and it's gonna turn this whole thing baby blue. But every, look at all the cracks. All of them have to be sealed. So you can see this crack all along here is where this fiberglass is sealed. But yeah, we're just sanding it over with my hands. And
we don't have one of those, we don't have the mechanical,
yeah
might
be a good investment. You can literally see it turn clear as we go. I'll go over it and it'll completely start to clear, and that's how you know it's
Dude, it smells so crazy. Why don't we put our masks on, dude? We bought them for a reason. Brenton.
Yep.
I got a supply. Brenton, supply drop.
Take that.
Back to work, baby, let's go. Hey, I mean, call me what you want. I'm wearing gloves. Brenton just puts his hands right on the fiberglass, like it literally doesn't matter. My feet are like concrete, so I'm not too worried about my feet. I've been wearing no shoes for like 15, 16, 17, maybe 19 years straight. Maybe my whole life. I get natural electrolytes from the ground and earth, okay? Right, Brenton?
That's a good one. I like that.
So that's starting to hard already, and it's literally been like, I mean, he just went from that to that. So we still have obviously more to do. And we're gonna do all the walls and everything. Looks like grape jelly, dude. This man Brenton could do this as a side job. So that's what it looks like now. That's what it looks like after one coat, by the way. I think we're gonna do 2 coats and be well worth it in the end. The fish that are gonna go in here is just something totally different than the Amazon corner. This back corner right here was specifically made for a cave. The grouper are gonna go in there. That'll be like their primary home. The fish that are gonna be in here are something like, I don't think YouTube's even seen before. Albino groupers. And Brendan just mixed up another cup so fast, my goodness. This man is on a grind, dude. What'd you drink?
One of those new energy drinks that I can't say because we're not gonna promote.
I wish we had the paint right now, dude. I would start painting. I would start painting one layer. A rock?
A rock. We need to set the rock right here.
I see what you're saying. Yep. I'll get you a rock.
Right there. Oh.
You know what? This is gonna cut the sales of your foot picture that you had for sale for a while, because they got plenty in this.
That thing did great, by the way.
Did it actually?
It did phenomenal.
This man sold feet pictures.
Physical feet pictures.
Physical.
I signed them and sent them.
But you made some profit, right?
Yeah, paid rent for a little bit.
That's all that matters, right? Nice. We are mixing 404 filler.
Come on, a little more.
More?
It's supposed to be like peanut butter. There we go.
So the texture of that should be like peanut butter. That is gonna fill in all the cracks of this pond. It's called 404 filler.
More. I need more.
You put that in before you lay the fiberglass. Oh yeah, we're ready to go. You might want to put a mask on. It's about to get gnarly. I had to take my suit off because, well, I'm a and I get hot. Brenton, I don't think you're supposed to use your hands, Brenton.
We might need it a lot thicker.
This is gonna look awesome. If you guys haven't checked out Fanatic's channel, definitely don't.
It's funny because they probably think I specialize in like fiberglass.
Definitely not. But he's good enough. Listen, we're on a budget here, so we hired Brenton. Brenton, you are freaking killing it. It's almost like you've done this before.
Not this, no.
You know, we should have split that into 2 buckets so I could have been doing it on the other side.
Yep. Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
By the end of today, we're literally gonna be ready to coat this thing in the bluest paint you've probably ever seen in order to really make this pond look like a pond. The paint will literally completely change the entire thing. You guys know that from the last time we painted 2 others or 3 other ponds now. We've done so many. This one's the first saltwater pond, okay? This is a little bit different. This is the best one so far. Imagine a grouper swimming by the window. I know, you almost can't imagine it, right?
Yeah, it's so lame. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, Paul. Paul, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna...
Leave me alone.
So that right there is what all of the corners look like now. They're kind of filled in with that filler. Now we can lay the fiberglass right over it. This stuff right here. You can literally lay this right over that. And it'll have a lot better chance of not leaking. Look at that. Doesn't that just look fun to do? It's not! Listen, we're a little from this stuff. The epoxy's got us tweaking. We're starting to get delusional here, boys and girls.
Me tweaking, all right. That's not from the epoxy, that's just Paul.
As he has his knee on the fiberglass. Sometimes I really wonder about you, bro.
I'll be fine.
This man withstands pain like no other. I don't know if any of you know people like that. He was in here spreading this literal stuff that burns through gloves with his bare hands. Beyond me. Oh, the Dallas score, baby! Let's go, Brenton! Woo! Hometown, baby! Yeah! Tie game with 1 minute and 59 seconds. Okay, anyway, back to the pond. We're cutting fiberglass, but we're gonna get back to all this in the morning. We're tired. And I'm gonna have to bleep that. Last night, Brenton and I pre-cut all of the fiberglass so we have it laid out all around the pond. Large wall pieces, medium pieces, long pieces. All pre-cut, ready to lay down. And we also have an extra bag if we need it. As you can see, it is looking good. The holes are filled. It is completely filled in. The floors are all together, as you can see, totally together. What we're doing now is literally just step 1. After this, we put pond armor. Let that dry, and then we do a second layer of pond armor. We're doing 2 layers of pond armor to make sure that all these little nail holes are filled in, and of course, any other sort of hole or crack or little opening that water could possibly get through will have no leaks. At least we hope so. Well, I'm gonna keep sanding away. Brendan's putting his hazmat suit on, and he's gonna do the epoxy, lay the fiberglass. Kill 2 birds, 1 stone. Let's keep going. Oh, sure thing. Thank goodness I wasn't in the middle of like a fire or something. The middle of it just came out. This stuff hardens so fast. We have legitimately like 30 seconds to lay all of it out of the bucket before we waste material, so it's gotta be a quick job. It is, yeah, back to present day. We spent like 4 days doing what we have done so far. But Brenton's really good at fiberglassing. He had done his pond at his house, so with his help, we have gotten really, really far. And we're gonna actually wait to fully finish this till about a week or so from now. We're gonna do the rest of the fiberglass and actually start painting. As you can see, I have ordered the pond paint, which is the pond armor. I've ordered that. It's gonna be here tomorrow by 10. And I had to buy two things of the pond armor. This project is very expensive, but honestly, I'm investing in myself and obviously the channel to make some epic content for you guys. The fish that are gonna go in here, the whole build itself is gonna be epic. When it's done, it's gonna look fantastic, and it's saltwater. As you know, we have the big old freshwater pond over here. This is gonna be salt water. Finally doing something like that. It's gonna cost a lot of money just even to maintain it per month. But I seriously think it's a great investment. And you, the Cuffaros, have been asking me to do something like this for years. It's finally happening. Smash the dang like button for me. Subscribe down below and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any videos. We have got all the sides fiberglass, and they're all rock solid. Fully sealed, rock solid. And then now imagine 2 coats of paint over this, waterproof paint. There's no way. There's no way. And we are still gonna lay more. We have leftover material, so we're just gonna use it all. Water ain't leaking. I hope I'm not foreshadowing right now. My goodness. Thank you all so much for watching. I did want to show you the piece of merch I'm wearing. You see that? That is brand new. PokeFaroBrand.com. Link is down below. Go check out the website. I've got some really big news coming for you. I cannot wait to tell you what I'm up to behind the scenes. I'm gonna leave you with that cliffhanger. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.